We're back.
Making each other lose.
We're back. We're back. But
We need 3 people to...
we have a computer. We're editing. We're gonna try to edit this video. I'm actually gonna take time out of my night and edit this video. First one. Brad, you're welcome. Brad, you're welcome for trying to actually edit a video for the first time.
I'm a free test dummy. I'm a free test dummy. Where's the lava
I was just trying to get up and I didn't realize I hit you.
Where's the lava monkey? Green dude. What?
I didn't
Yes!
There's a lava monkey.
Dude, I didn't realize I hit you. I'm sorry.
No,
Dude, I
you're
was
fine.
trying to get up myself while using one.
Yeah. Thank you. Another noob.
I think you might have missed it though. Maybe.
Oh, no. I found there's a, so if you throw it at yourself and jump, sometimes
You
it
throw it
like,
at your, oh yeah, you're doing it on purpose. Alright. Yeah.
yeah, just, oh, it didn't work. I got frozen. Plus, these things could come in useful for throwing them at the lava and make them go away.
Yeah.
That's why I hold on to one.
Oh wait, some help on.
Oh, lava, 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 lava.
Get up here, get up here. Get up here.
I missed. I don't know where. I'm going up to. Oh, they're dying. Red, are you still alive? Red, you gotta survive, Red. Red, you have to survive. Red. No, Red. Red's dead.
What are you, a goat?
No, I'm a bird. What's your name? I'm a bird. Jeff? Who's a bird?
Oh, I'm a bird.
You want me to show you? How old are you? You want me to show you? I'm the bird. How old are you? I'm the bird. Wait, hold up. Man, I'm not.
Bum 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 bum.
You couldn't punch me, sorry.
I hit my hand. Good job. Ow, I hit my hand trying to dodge you. Red. Red. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, Red. Red, you're so appreciated.
Don't mess with me, I know karate. I know karate, don't mess with me. We are. Oh, shoot. Where are you, Dad? I know karate, don't mess with me. We are. I'm dead, we're dead, we're dead, we're dead. Oh, wait. Wait.
Okay, stuck.
I know karate, black. I know karate. On the top is right here, right here.
Oh, he got murdered.
Oh my god! Oh, good
That worked.
I can't really do it because I'm new to the game.
For a pack?
Oh no. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's fine. I'm following that. Following that. Alright, just gonna suppress him for like a second.
Oh, here, even with your strong arms.
Friendship.
Buddy, you have speed boost. I don't.
Yeah, we both.
Speed boost, that'd be much faster.
Yeah, you have to be your lava monkey, bro. You don't know how this game works or what?
Oh my god.
Work?
My bruh. Oh man. Yeah, that guy definitely used him on ours.
Stop it. I am dead. Dun 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 dun.
Shut up, I need to do this.
Bum 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 bum. Okay, like,
Boom!
I'm good, by the way. So don't congratulate. I'm not good, by the way, so don't congratulate yourself if you get me, okay?
Oh, I wasn't going to.
Good. You don't go like this. Come here. Oh. Like, yeah, you go like this.
That's a problem.
Go like this. Almost there.
He's behind me, isn't he?
I'll remember. Like that. What? Oh, you made one.
So I'm the last one.
Nah, bro.
Are the people I need to look out?
Okay, bye. Bye, Jeff.
Hey guys!
Okay,
Up and away!
Wait, guys, my friend's gonna join this account, okay? Okay, stop! Okay. Oh, there's a black monkey. Okay, look. Try some people and try Jeff. Oh, look. Wait, can you actually melt the snow with that thing? And my grass is red. Or is the snow too cold? Okay. See you later.
Oh no. Taco meat? Yeah.
Good job. Who tagged me? Who tagged me?
I'm him. It was him, man. No, wasn't.
It was him.
Look at that here.
It was him. You did show up later.
Stinky monkey.
I love the song The One.
Whoa, that was a weird bug.
Okay, bye. I am an eagle. You know it?
No, you're not.
So they do it at the same time? Yeah, your friend is leaving the lobby.
Hilarious!
Oh no, you're gonna throw it at me, aren't you?
Thanks. Thanks, buddy. I'm a bird. I just heard someone say, I'm a bird.
Yeah, bro. Right, I am a bird. Eagle.
I'm a bird. Good job.
Chill on that cocaine, my brother. Thank you.
I helped you out. You're welcome. I swear, if you throw a big snowball
Look at
on
that,
me
monkey,
while
right
you
behind you.
I'm a bird.
no way, you saved me. Like, I blinked.
Oh my god, that was funny. I just miss him. I just miss you. I just fly past saying, I'm a bird. I'm gonna get him.
Finally, someone actually noticed me. How did I survive that long? I've been sitting there the whole time.
Wow, your tree climbing is...
How come nobody found me until the last 3 people? I was sitting in that campfire the whole
Did you just say
time.
giggity giggity goo?
I have no idea how to find you.
Why would I know?
People are dumb.
Wait, hold on. Where'd he go? Hold on.
Hey, buddy.
No! Purple's over there. And is currently screaming his head off and going to cry to his mommy.
Well, you can walk now.
Dude,
I just fell.
you made me laugh so much that I started crying.
What?
I guess what? Googity giggity goo. Giggity giggity goo. Get out!
And I wasn't even facing your direction, so I wasn't expecting it either.
Alright, alright. Up it away!
bird.
Oh, it didn't work. Up it away! It didn't work.
Or-
That felt like 9/11.
Oh, I love that day.
Okay, what did you say?
That's a joke.
No.
No, 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 no,
I missed. Alright, guys. Hey, guys.
We're gonna get him.
We gotta get the guy. Up there. Block.
That way.
He's about to launch. Go get him. Guys, he's up on the tree.
Are you red or black?
Red.
Why are you so black? Oh my god, I am mine. Someone just said no, guys, someone just said black. Why are you so black?
That was you, bro.
Why that? No, it wasn't that.
Is that purple? Oh my god, it's purple. Giggity.
That was me.
Ow, I just hit something.
Yeah.
Can you give me a second?
That sounds more like you're going.
Oh. That ain't good.
No, you're not. Well, now you are. Now he is. I'm a serious bird.
Hello.
No, I'm the bird. I am like Igor. I'm the biggest bird. So good. If you're any bird, you would be a hummingbird.
Try and hit me.
Yo, cowboy hat. Are you good at the game? Alright, now, hold on. Rip that bracelet off really quick. Okay, now, add me.
I'm a bird.
I'm gonna do a, no. One person only. I mean, eagle. Because I'm doing a glitch. You're nothing.
I'm gonna go.
Nice.
I don't know what happened.
Guys, this long monkey's doing glitch. Alright, now follow me.
Wow, abusing bugs. Whoa. Yeah, hey.
Okay, now, come over here. We're gonna win a Come over here. The plane is 9/11!
Alright, bro.
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
Oh my god.
It's a bird! It's a plane!
No, it's an egg salad sandwich.
Can't come out. Nice.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Okay, I'll do it with you.
No.
My blood
You're not a bird. Because I'm a bird.
My blood waters. Tonight, we go to New York and poop on some people.
Bird.
Alright, now run in there.
I'm a bird.
Give me a second. I need to remember this code.
Oh, hi.
Alright, now you're in. Now you're in the city.
Bird. I gotta hurry. Bird brother tagged. The bird brother got tagged. Run, bird. Bird brother, run. Bird brother. Bonk. Oh, where the hell did he go? How are you playing the game like that?
I can't get in there. Oh, I'm just flexible.
How old are you?
You're gonna leave.
I'm just flexible.
I'm a bird.
How old are you? Are you under the age of playing this game? Hey guys, problem? You guys problem? The lava's after me. The lava's after me. Purple, the lava's down there. Purple, bird brother's dead. The bird brother's dead. I'm a bird.
Yo, bro, I can't climb.
We know you do.
I'm sorry. I like turtles. So come over here.
I missed. I fell.
Come over here.
Oh, of course it hit me there.
Come over here.
I'm a bird.
Are you a bird? I'm a bird.
And then you're gonna run as fast as you can. I hate you.
Oh, y'all are doing night glitch?
I'm a bird.
Fucking Nigerian.
Oh my god. Oh, you're behind me. Yes, he fell. And I fell.
No, I fell. No, get back up there. No. I'm a certified bird. I'm a...
This is a problem.
No, you're only allowed over if you're a bird.
3, 2, 1.
Show me you're a bird.
Fuck you, kid. You're adopted.
Not the other. Oh god, he fell.
You die, go right ahead, go right ahead. You're
I
a
feel like I'm
bird.
gonna die.
I'll just come out with you.
I'm a bird.
Bird thought he was a bird for a second. Come on, give me. No.
I fell. I'm a bird.
You betrayed the bird border.
The bird, brother.
He's his dog. He is not a bird.
Is bro okay?
Bird.
I'm a bird. I fell.
You loser bird. Pink. Yeah, loser.
Boing.
What? You're whacking, bro. You're whacking.
Come on.
Oh, I'm not the best at it.
Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Let's throw it down. Throw it down. No.
If you're not a gay bird, you got to get up there. If you're not a gay bird, you have to get up there first.
I'm a bird.
Bird. No. I'm a bird. No, I'm a bird.
This is the problem. Thank you. Ow. I hit the wall. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
I swear that so many times. It's getting stupid.
Nuh-uh.
I'm a bird.
Oh no, he's down there.
I'm a bird.
Little brat.
Are you a bird?
My game is bugging. My game is bugging so much. My game is so bugging. Where did my hand go? That helped you. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird. Bro, I just leaped at someone with the snowball. I'm a bird. Guys, there's a hunter. I'm being shot at, guys. Bird brother, I'm being shot at. Bird. Enemy 50 cal fire. Grenade out. Oh. Bird brother. Top hat, bird brother. There's a hunter up there shooting our bird brother.
Oh no. We better go get him.
We must kill the hunter. Guys, help!
Yeah, you stupid. Look her ass.
Huh? Up and away.
Do you know what the hell's going on?
I might not be much of a bird.
Yes, I do know what's going on.
I'm a bird.
So, come here.
Oh my gosh! Holy crap!
Hey, don't say us to us birds. I'm a bird.
This is really annoying.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. Are you a bird, brother? I'm a bird.
This is annoying. Oh, big jump.
Are you a bird? You a bird? I'm a bird.
Yeah, I'm bad. Bro, trust
I'm
me,
a
I'm
bird.
really bad.
I'm a bird.
See?
Are you a bird? I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
No,
I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
I'm a bird who likes
I'm a bird.
who likes to eat turds.
I'm the dresser. I'm a bird that likes to eat turds. What?
Okay, so you're just
I'm the black bird. I'm the biggest bird. I love it.
Draco.
Get slowed. I'm a bird.
Nah, I'm a bird.
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 This is so annoying.
Are you a bird?
I'm a bird.
My BS better die, my blood border.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Bird.
I'm a bird.
My bird border. I have bad news. My BS is at 2%.
No.
That's
Oh,
all
bird,
y'all-
bird.
That's all y'all come
Bird.
to the all y'all come to the wall. I have to do
I'm
the
bird.
final board job. Come to the wall, Scott. Come to
must-
the wall.
Talk about someone for a bird. Get sniped.
I'm a bird.
Yeah,
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
Y'all gonna watch the bird real quick.
No, brother, that's the tallest tree.
I'm a bird.
Will.
Oh, I better get out of there then.
You missed.
Y'all gonna
Oh wait, no, he's an anti-bird.
I'm a bird.
please.
I'm a bird.
You, monkey.
They did.
Guys, y'all gonna watch the real world fly.
How dare you come to the bird nest, Hunter? This is the bird nest. I'm a bird.
Bird.
The hunter's over there.
I'm a bird.
Was I the only one that didn't?
Guys, it's just the
Bird.
What did you say?
I'm a bird.
Oh, I so thought he said my YouTube name, bro.
I'm a
Like,
bird. Oh wait, sorry. I meant to hit one.
who's VR?
Come on! Like a good boy. I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
The rattling noises drive me crazy. Here you go. You want it? You want it?
I'm a bird.
Holy crap! Shut up.
Nuh-uh.
Draco.
I'm a bird.
Oh yeah, I'm a bird too.
The bird hunter's in the area.
I'm a bird.
Shut up.
I'm not the best at it.
Holy crap. You never got me, bro.
The bird hunter.
Shut up. One question.
No.
You're bad. I'm purple. I'm the guy that was
Here, go right ahead.
alive.
The bird hunter. Up there.
The bird hunter.
Get him, birds.
The other bird hunter. Come on, let's.
Hey, I need a bird with you.
I am an eagle.
I'm.
No, I'm an eagle. I love the eagle.
You're the one with the weapon, bird hunter.
You want to see Is that the hunter boy?
Oh wait. Is that the bird hunter key?
It is the bird hunter. If he wants to become bird, he must take flight.
Oh no. Trust you. I promise. I think.
Oh wait, what?
Yay!
I'm sorry, we did that for our own benefit. Oh wait, no. We need.
No, I was so close. That was so close. No.
Can you teach me how to do that? But first you gotta tag me. Gotta tag me. No, why? Nico. Are you playing with your little thingamajiggy, the paddling thingamajiggy?
I'm a bird.
That's really annoying. Holy crap.
I'm a
Where's
bird.
the guy that was gonna teach me? Guys,
Bro.
you're gonna
Bird.
watch me over here.
Top
Hold
top
on,
bird
you know
brother.
that, right?
I killed that man by bird.
Get that annoying. I sacrificed myself.
I hate you.
I'm a bird.
Oh no, she hates us. She's gonna turn into an anti-bird. She missed. We should never have an anti-bird.
Really?
No, that doesn't. You have to do it like that.
There's firing.
Oh no.
It's the hunter. It's the hunter. It's the hunter. It's the hunter. Bird brother. Bird brother, it's the hunter. Get back. Get back. When he comes up here, he's gonna get shot by me. He's gonna hit me. Oh, hi, Doug.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Laura.
Is that a bird? Oh wait, no, it's not a bird. Oh no. Yes.
Look at this.
I'm a bird.
He wants to join our code.
I'm a bird.
No.
I'm a bird.
No, I broke it.
He wants to join our code.
Yes.
No.
Yes! No! Hey, at least I got you there.
No. No.
Peace out, bro.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold up. I think. Come on.
Wait, I'm on that. One. It's two.
I'm a bird.
I see the bird.
Hi, bird hunter.
Bird hunter.
Bird.
I'm annoying.
I'm a bird.
Bird.
Throw him.
No.
No.
I risked my whole life to try to kill that guy. Get out of here, bird hunter. Man, I'm just gonna name this video I'm a bird. I love my videos, so just get out of context, but I have no any subscribers.
Come on, try it. Nope.
I don't like the stars. Drive me crazy.
No!
This game. Bye bye. No. Shut up. Look at the person. Here, boy. I love you. What? What?
I'm a bird.
I love you. At that point.
Oh yeah, and I landed on the branch whenever you shot me flying.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Oh no.
I'm out of here.
Where's the
Dude,
anti-bird?
I'm out of here.
Bird.
I'm a bird. Bird brother, behind you! Bird brother! Get out of there!
Oh, yellow! You don't know the big bird on. You understand?
I'm itching my nose.
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
Oh my
You're the one
god!
that tagged me, so no hat.
You still got tagged at least.
Hey, you got tagged. How do you feel about that?
I'm bird in trouble! I'm bird in trouble!
Behind you.
What's up, bro? Yeah, bird out. Peace. I'm a bird. Bird out. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
And I'm a noob.
I'm a bird.
And I'm a hacker.
Oh.
You're not.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Hey, buddy. Yes! Good job, bird brother.
We got him. He's yelling 'cause
Really?
he doesn't think we're birds.
No, I don't.
Don't now. Oh, it's even got it too.
He's it. I'm out of here.
Come on, run. You're in the bird club now. Congratulations.
Hello.
Duckling.
I'm sorry you got flung off.
Come on.
He fell over. He went over.
Yes, okay. Everyone is not fine. Get off to the side.
Everybody can tag in my house.
I'm a bird.
No, you're not. Y'all can never defeat the bird. I'm a bar. Y'all understand? Hello there. That was a fall.
I'm a bird.
What you got?
Alright, guess we gotta do this.
Shut up real quick. Hold on.
Hey, guess who I am? I'm a bird.
You're cheating. You're cheating.
That's your brother?
I knew you were cheating.
I'm a bird. Are you related to that guy?
What?
Are you related to him? Guess gotta kill off the bloodline.
Can someone teach me how to stick onto the
Oh,
wall?
hold up. Wrong hand.
Like,
I'm a bird.
you hit yourself. Or somebody hit you.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo, bro. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
We are the birds.
I'm a bird. It's a super bird. It's the big bird. It's big bird. Run, birds.
Biggest bird.
It's the big bird. It's the biggest bird.
I'm the biggest.
I'm the biggest bird. Hey, I'm the biggest bird.
Yeah, you are the biggest bird. No one can doubt.
Oop. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I'm too fast. That's why you can't.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Hey, buddy. And it's a 3.
Can someone teach me how to play?
Nope.
Come on. Because I really don't know how to play. Like, I definitely don't know how to play. You know
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
You just can't resist the bird.
No!
You just can't.
Come on!
Yo, can I be a bird? Can I be a bird?
Yeah, you can be a bird.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I'm a big bird. I'm good. I'm part of the club.
Are you a bird? Say, I'm a bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. No, you're not. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
They missed themselves. They missed. Hi, biggest bird.
What up? We got him. We didn't get him fully, but we got him.
I'm the biggest bird.
Protect your base.
Hey, I'm the biggest bird.
Duh. No.
Welcome to the birds.
Being a bird is so fun, bro.
I'm the biggest bird.
Man, I'm the
Are you a bird?
supreme bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Do you want to be a bird? Then fly.
Nah, bird.
No, the bird. Birds, attack. Birds.
No!
Safety in numbers. Hey, guys, the birds are down here. Hey, guys.
I got him off. At the sake of me flying off.
Protect the birds. Protect the nest
Oh
birds.
no. Oh no.
He's coming back up.
She missed.
Yo, back
Good.
forward.
For Mark.
No.
Not a marksman.
Keep him off.
Goodbye.
Yo. No.
At the risk of the bird's life. You're not getting here.
Alright.
Guys, the guy's in lava.
Man, I'm the.
You killed our fellow birds.
Bird, that's friendly.
Can you know?
They missed.
Got him. I got him. No, I'm the biggest bird. I'm supreme. I get up here. This is like the bigger bird spot.
No,
I'm the bigger bird.
You're killing our friends.
Oh, and all the monkeys. Have fun. Bro, I'm a friend, bro. I'm a bird.
I'm the biggest.
Alright,
Got him.
I'm a bird.
Kill the lava. The lava. It's still up here.
Kill the lava bird.
On fire at will.
come on.
She got me. She got me.
A fellow bird fuck his tag.
No. No.
No.
This bird is heading up higher. Bird.
The biggest bird needs to run.
All birds, the nest is infiltrated. The nest is infiltrated with infected birds. It's like the plague. Don't go near the infected birds.
Luke is hitting me with snowballs.
Welcome to the birds. We live for snowball.
Come here.
Oh.
Come here, get out. Go away.
The biggest
You're
bird
lagging.
has turned long.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh, I shot myself. Crap. Get you down.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Sadly. What? No, you're not.
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird.
Don't miss me though. He came up here.
Don't hit me on.
He's the biggest bird though, bro.
I'm still
He's the biggest bird.
I'm a
He's
bird.
the Supreme Court of all birds, bro.
Purple bird. Purple bird. How you doing up there, down there, purple bird?
Here I tell you.
I'm the biggest. No, I'm the biggest bird.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Well, what if I hit the biggest bird?
I got him.
Black bird.
I'm not scared. Whatever.
Bird.
Bird brothers.
Why?
No.
Remember, gold helmet is an ally bird.
Accident. I'll let it slide.
Oh, come on.
The cowboy bird is coming in for attack run.
Mr. Lemon
Cowboy attack.
fell off the bird.
Guys, I'm trying to hit.
Whoever keeps hitting me off, stop, bro. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
What if I don't?
I'm a bird.
It is non-infected birds right now versus infected birds.
My actions.
I'm a non-infected bird. I must attack infected birds.
Idiot.
I'm a bird.
Bro, the stupid stars are can't know nothing.
Wait.
We're about to infiltrate it.
I didn't mean.
No, this is the free
Hey, no.
Yeah.
I must knock down. Top Hat, what are you doing? That guy's a betrayer. That guy's not a bird.
No. You're dead, bro. I'm just gonna survive a little bit.
No, whoa, bro.
You are not a bird. He is not a bird. He is never a bird. He has never been.
He's only the supreme bird. He's not the supreme bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
I'm a non-infected bird. I am non-infected bird.
I got the bird.
Get everyone else down.
Okay, purple.
Get
I
out.
think it's your turn because the round has ended.
Hey.
We need to get purple, bro.
Yeah.
The birds need to get purple. I'm a bird.
No. What?
I'm sorry. I got infected bird. I'm a bird.
Got him.
It's the
Yeah,
fake
well.
bird. I'm a
I got
bird.
No.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
But that's it. Thank you.
In the room.